I'm Tara Powers, lead consultant for the Courageous Leadership Program for the Women's Edge, and I am joined today by my colleague and co-facilitator, Terri Nimmons. And we wanted to just take a few minutes to talk to you about some of the trends that we are seeing in women's leadership and how those align with what we are going to be covering in our upcoming program kicking off this fall in 2023. So I just wanted to talk a few minutes about a study that was published by S&P Global in October of 2022 regarding the differences that were seen between women and men who were leading during COVID. And what they noticed is that women leaders exhibited a style of leadership that differed from their male peers, but was just as effective, if not more effective, in terms of the financial performance of their companies. And what they saw was that women leaders showed a more positive communication style at the peak of the pandemic, which was being led by empathy, followed by adaptability, accountability, and diversity. And this communication style, this positive communication style that was most often favored by women leaders, seemed to be much more in alignment with the concept of what is defined as authentic leadership. And that draws from and mirrors the diversity of our society and our workplaces. And this is certainly something that we are highlighting in our program in the fall.
It's certainly no surprise to us that this thread of authenticity is being recognized as critical to leadership. In the women's groups I've worked with this year, there's a strong pull to demonstrate the courage to step out as being truly authentic while balancing these two ways that we're now required to show up in the hybrid world. And so even executive presence has been redefined as having emotional intelligence and having the ability to truly connect with others in an authentic way. So we're seeing women almost curate a set of practices that allows them to be powerful and present in the virtual world, as well as a set of practices that allows them to lead and enroll and inspire others in person. So we invite you to explore these opportunities with us and to join us in doing the critical work of growing as a leader in 2023.
And one of the things that I just want to mention is some of the learning outcomes that are very much aligned with these trends that Terri and I are seeing. So what you are going to walk away with as a participant in this program is that you will walk out of there with building a personal vision of courageous leadership and identifying courageous behaviors that help you navigate day-to-day challenges that you face. You will also define what courageous and authentic leadership means to you and how to demonstrate more inspiring leadership in your organization. And finally, you'll consider how your journey as a leader thus far has been impacted by diversity, equity, and inclusion, and how you can have the greatest influence for positive change. And one of the most important components of this program that we definitely want to mention is we are going to be joined by several top 100 women mentors who are going to be mentoring, coaching, and sharing their journey as well as mentors during this program. So Terri and I are really excited to help you bring your authentic leadership to the forefront, right? That we know are natural for women leaders and really step into being a courageous leader in your organization. We both hope that you will join us in the fall, and we're really excited to meet you and have you participate in the program.
And we'll have a little fun along the way. Thanks
Absolutely.
very much. We'll see you then. Bye now.
Thank you.